Okay, here we go. Today is December 24th. We got a special thing planned for this episode. Welcome back to the channel, Paradox the Rapper. Merry Christmas. I'm filming this on December 24th, Christmas Eve, and I'll release this on Christmas Day. Just a little episode, real short one for you guys. We're gonna be doing a little more of the lighting on the 240, so I haven't shown this on camera yet, but we strung up the 240 just like the VR4. I'm going to show you the last part of it and kind of go over how I did it, but right here. This is a present that I got for myself just to celebrate hitting 100K and doing so well this year on this channel with your guys' support. This has nothing to do with cars, so stay tuned. Go down in the comments below and guess right now what this giant box may be. The shipping was ridiculously expensive, but it was worth it. It was handmade. I can't wait to show you guys what this thing is. But first, let's go finish wiring the 240. Oh, look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got these two cars here because in the evening time, it looks terrible on camera. Okay, so this wrap looks kind of like this over here when no light shines upon it, of course. But when there is light, here. Get you guys a little closer. Oh, there we go again. Listen, I'm just so hyped on this color. I love it, and it's so thick that you cannot see any of the imperfections on the 240 because my body work sucks. And these lights right here is just like preliminary, so they're kind of flopping right now, but I'm gonna cinch them to the side skirt, kind of like this, okay, so that when there's not lights like that shining on this, you can still see all of this bedazzled goodness. And I don't know, I just like the way that's wired because it's kind of unique, you know what I mean? Similarly on the VR4, I did this last year, and these lights are not that great. If you get real close to them, you can see that they are the individual kinds. Okay, these, they turn yellow over time. You can already kind of see like their yellow tint to them, and it just doesn't go that well. I mean, it looks good on camera, but in person you can see how yellow they turn because of the sun. Even up here with this shading, it's still turned yellow. But I did some research and I heard that the string lights right here, this one is a I'll link it in the description, okay? This is literally like a tube with an enclosing. It's like a, I don't know, it's like the whole tube. It's not individual lights. There's individual lights built into here, but it kind of just sits like this. So this is more like your regular fluorescent light that you have. This comes in like all kinds of colors. I just chose the white because white works best for me, and I think the cops kind of just leave you alone if you have white lights. We'll see. All right, we'll open this up in a second. It definitely will be awesome when I open this and it's dark, so that both, it's positioned right there so that when both cars shine the light on it, with that one too, this thing is gonna shine. Oh, so excited for you guys to see this. Okay, but first let's pop the hood and I'll kind of show you what I got. All right, I haven't finished wiring the other side yet. I need to decide what I'm gonna do with the back. Partially why I'm wiring this is because my reverse lights don't work. I'm not sure how to hook them up, but if I just put a whole bunch of string lights, like maybe under the wing right here or like down there or something, I can hook it to a separate switch, and when I flip it on, boom, I can see when I'm backing up. All right, check this out. Some of you guys have already seen this on Mike's channel, but man, look at that. So these are all strung together so that you can see the engine bay. Hold on, let's put the thing up here. All right, there we go. Okay, so this is nice because you can see your engine bay wiring, all that stuff when you want to pop the hood, you know what I mean? When it's dark, you gotta show them what's good, except for the leaves. Yeah, this string goes from here all the way down to here. I connected it to down this way, so you can kind of see. I don't know if I like that, because then you can see like the inside of my, you know, my door panels and everything right down there. I don't know if I like that. I might spray that black just so you can't see any of this, and then continue it down here. Like, I'll spray it black from here over. We'll see. But then basically it ends up down here, and I got it hooked to a zip tie, and all I have to do is just tighten up this side skirt and just put self tappers in to lift this up and cinch it onto the side skirt. Okay, over here, this piece is another string that goes all the way around here, all the way up here. Basically, it's one string that just kind of winds its way around down here. It's so hard for you guys to see it. And also lights up right here, lighting up that. Okay, so that's cool. And then over here on this side is another string, but I didn't secure it and it broke. It broke off on the freeway right down here. So I'm gonna restring this and probably move this little one that runs from here to here to the back. All right, and then some other day this week, I'm gonna replace all these old lights on the VR4 with the same type. I think these will last longer. But basically, you just want to string it to your power source and a switch. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up with that, and we're gonna open up that box. All right, so we got the VR4 chilling with the lights on. And then look how much brighter. Oh, these ducks, you guys can't see them, but they're over there. Look how much brighter the 240 is compared to the VR4. Okay, the quality of these lights are just, these lights over here are just way better. These kind of come off kind of yellow as well, but man, look how bright this is. Ooh. And you can still see some of that glitter, baby. Oh, okay. And then over here, of course, I don't have anything in the back yet. I'm gonna do that another day. That's just, there's a lot of planning that goes into how I'm gonna wire that up. I have to solder some stuff, okay? But right here, I cut it off on this edge. And this is the nice thing about this string light, is that there are like cutting points. You see kind of like where, hold on, let me see. You kind of see where like there's little interruption marks right here. You can cut it there and it will be just fine. It will still glow, you see? Oh. This just looks so good, guys. Man, I love it. I love it. So I can't wait to do the back. Let me know what I should do. Maybe something along the wing. I got a new side fin that I'm waiting to come in. I'm really excited to show you guys that. And maybe some lights on the bottom or something like that. A lot of people are like, well, you shouldn't wire this like this because you can see the light. Well, that's the point. I'm kind of going for like this Tron look, you know what I mean? I don't know if I could do underglow with this as well. So there's no reason to get all bent out of shape, because I can underglow and run this. This just looks sick while it's driving around. Oh man, look at that. So right here we got all wired up, and you can see that sick engine bay. Oh yeah, VR4, that is definitely going to be next. But I do like how I have that there, so with this light it's going to be stupid bright right here with my little snake eyes. Oh, that's going to be great. All right, let's open up this box. This is what you guys have been waiting for. Let's check out what's in here. Oh yup, see, before we even get to this box over here, look at that. You can see my intercooler just chilling. You gotta tuck this up a little bit, but the intercooler is just chilling because it's lit up from behind with one of these that I've kind of zip tied over here and over there. Oh, and my piping. Oh! All right, this is how you rice out the proper way, okay? This is what you do when it's Christmas time. I love it. I love it. Okay, Michelle's manning the camera. We're gonna open up this box. Can you see? Too dark?
There you go. It is kind of dark, but...
There we go. It doesn't matter. It says... Oh, hold on.
Jeez.
Man, they really packed this thing good. Oh, come over here. You gotta see this. You gotta see this. Oh, you gotta see this. Can you believe it?
It went black, so I don't know.
All you gotta do is touch the screen and it'll go back. Oh my goodness. Listen.
It's not coming back.
All right, there you go. Look how awesome that is. So this guy made it by hand. I will link his stuff at the bottom, and I'll show some footage of him doing this at the end of this video, but check it out. That's badass. He made all this. Ooh, okay, we did lose some parts right here from shipping, but I think we can just glue it back together. Alright, hold this. Alright, here we go. We'll give it a little bit of a turn. Get closer so you can see. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So awesome. Okay, there you go. What do you think, honey?
It's pretty.
It's pretty?
I like the detail.
Yeah, this is nice because I always wanted a bonsai, but
I don't think that, like, watching it on camera doesn't do it justice, you know.
yeah, this is
You can't appreciate
huge.
all the detail.
Look, like the details of like the way he did the red leaves. It kind of reminds me of those trees from Game of Thrones.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there you go. This is fun because it will never wilt. It'll be good forever. All right, one last look at both the cars. Riced out so nicely. This is the kind of stuff that I love, guys, okay? If this triggers you, I don't know what to tell you. Hit the wrong channel. Paradox does whatever he wants because to me, this is cool, all right? And my new bonsai tree is so cool. Oh my God, look at that thing. If you guys want him to make you this, it's not gonna be cheap. He was like, it's shipping's too expensive. You just make it yourself. I was like, no man, I want you to make it. Shipping was like 250 bucks. Ugh. Just because this thing is so heavy and it's like awkward, you know, and it's still broke. So, but we can put those pieces back together. This thing is just so sick. Oh my goodness, man, I love it. Woo! Man, it is getting so cold out here. All right, guys. Once again, huge thanks to everyone who have bought a roll and tried this out yourself, and everybody who watched me do all of my crazy stuff to my cars, especially with the lights and stuff like that. If you like it, you know the vibes. You should try this yourself. It's pretty fun. I plan to put even more lights on here in the future so that we can get this thing really glowing it's gonna be crazy. Okay, that's how Paradox rolls. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this light setup versus that one, and let me know what you guys think about my new bonsai tree. This thing is pretty sick. Okay, I can't wait to display it somewhere once I put it back together. So have a Merry Christmas. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.